7 low-carb, high-protein foods. Number 1. Beef. Beef contains zero carbohydrates and is an excellent source of protein. 100 grams of lean beef contain approximately 26 grams of protein. Other nutrients found abundantly in beef include iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B12, creatine, selenium, and phosphorus. Number 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is completely carb-free and provides around 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also rich in vitamin B3, B6, selenium, and phosphorus. Number 3. Eggs. Whole eggs contain only about 0.6 grams of carbohydrates and offer 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamin B12, choline, vitamin D, selenium, and riboflavin. Number 4. Salmon. Cooked salmon is another zero-carb option, delivering approximately 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also high in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium. Number 5. Shrimp. Cooked shrimp provides approximately 24 grams of protein and just 0.2 grams of carbs per 100 grams. It is notable for its high iodine content, along with selenium, vitamin B12, and astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant. Number 6. Tofu. Firm tofu provides 17 grams of protein and only 1.9 grams of carbs per 100 grams. It is also a good source of iron, calcium, magnesium, and isoflavones. Number 7. Cheese. Most cheeses contain 0.5 to 2 grams of carbs per 100 grams and offer 20 to 30 grams of protein, depending on the type. It's also a valuable source of calcium, vitamin A, vitamin B12, zinc, and phosphorus. Hard cheeses like cheddar, Parmesan, and Gouda tend to be lower in carbs than softer varieties.